here we are dito sa ating 6th game of the day. Santa Cruz. Number 8, Abacon. Ang unang puntos. At ito ang ating first quarter of the game. Number 8, Abacon, unang puntos. And there's Palay dribbling the ball. Pass to Habacon. Habacon na naman, wala. Capistrano. Secured the rebound. Capistrano. Spin. Pass to Kapinpin. Kapinpin, traveling violation. Santa Cruz mixed dribblers. Ball possession. Palay received the ball. Ito Gregorio. Gregorio, ma-i-stealan dito ni Tamayo. Tamayo fouled by number 28. Bandao. Tamayo first free throw. No basket. Second free throw. Basket again. Kapinpin. Makakakuha ng bola. Kapinpin. No good. Habacon secured the ball. And there's Bandao. Palay. Long pass to Gregorio. Habacon makakakuha ng pasa. 2 points by Habacon. Cornista dribbling the ball. Pass to Capistrano. Pull up for 3. No good. Bandao to Gregorio, out of bounds. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. Palay to number 15, Siguenza. Palay. And there's number 28, Bandao, still by number 13, Cornista. Kapinpin. Maistilan, Gregorio makakakuha ng bola. And there's Gregorio, lay up, basket, 2 points by Gregorio. There's Capistrano. To Kapinpin. To Cornista. Ang first points para sa kupunan ng A-Building Basketball. Palay to Gregorio. To Bandao. Pull up for 2. No good. Siguenza makakakuha. Siguenza for 2. Basket. Timeout para sa kupunan ng A-Building Basketball at magbabalik sa San Pablo City Basketball League.
Kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga. Kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres.
And we are back to our ball game. Special shoutout nga pala sa Akijiros Homemade Siomai. Pag may nakakita kayo doon, bili na kayo. Masarap ang tinda nilang homemade siomai ng Akihiros. And we are back to our ball game. Cornista dribbling the ball. Pass to Capistrano, pull up for 3, no basket. Habakon, secure the ball. Pass to Palay. Long pass to Siguenza. Mabibitawan ng bola. Out of bounds, ball possession to A building. Aquino for the inbound. Pass to Velasco. Dribbling the ball. Cornista to Aquino, pull up for 2. No good. And there's Capistrano for 2. Oh, basket. But fouled by number 15, Siguenza. Ang ating score, 12-2 in favor of Santa Cruz. And we have 5 minutes and 57 seconds dito sa ating first quarter. First free throw by Capistrano, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Rebound by Ijan. Pass to Bautista. Makakukuha ni Tamayo ang bola. Ibibigay kay Velasco to Cornista. Pass to Aquino. Dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mga papasahan. Velasco, lay up. No good. Rebound by Capistrano. Aquino makakakuha. Side step. Aquino fouled by number 17. Delgado. Same ball possession. Traveling violation. Santa Cruz. Bautista. Kayaba. Babalik. Ni Bautista. Capistrano makakakuha. There's Capistrano. Magdadrive. Basket. Ang ganda nun. Lumusot pa. There's Delgado. Pass to number 89, Ijan. To Bautista. Ijan to Palma for 2. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Reverse. Pero masusupalpal dito na Capistrano. 3 seconds violation by number 11, Palma. Velasco for the inbound. Pass to Cornista. Cornista may hawak. Matatapik dito ni Ijan. And there's Ijan. Libre-libre. Lay up. Sinubo na lang. 2 points by number 89. And there's Aquino. Pass to Cornista. Lay up. Basket count. And fouled by number 89. Para sa 3-point play, no good. And there's Tamayo for 2, no good. Capistrano for 2, basket. Kayaba receive the ball. Pass to Delgado. To Ijan, pull up for 2, basket. Ating score, 16-9 in favor of Santa Cruz. And we have 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Out of bounds. Cornista. Pass to Capistrano. Capistrano to Cornista. Back to Capistrano. Mai-stealan dito ni Ijan. And there's Ijan. Long pass. Kayaba for the reverse. Easy 2 points by number 24, Cayaba. Capistrano. Mabibitawan ng bola, Bautista. To Delgado, and there's Delgado. No good, Tamayo. Out of bounds. Santa Cruz, ball possession. Cayaba. Pass to Bautista. Basket. Points by Bautista, and there's Cornista dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Velasco to Tamayo. Basket. 2 points by Tamayo. Bautista to Cayaba. Cayaba. Traveling violation. Shoutout sa ating referee na si Sir Ricky Enriquez, ang pinaka-poging referee at magaling na referee dito sa San Pablo City. And shoutout sa San Pablo City Referee Association of Laguna or SPCRA, referees ng mga champion. Please support, like, and follow their page. Second free throw, basket. Cayaba. Pass to Bautista. To Delgado. Traveling violation by Delgado. Velasco. Pass to Cornista, to number 16. For 2, no good. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista. Fouled by number 13, Cornista. At ilalabas muna dito si number 30, Bautista. Number 44, to Cayaba. Back to number 44. There's Palay, full up for 3. No good. Cayaba makakakuha ng bola. And there's Cayaba. Basket count. And Cayaba fouled by number 3, Velasco. Para sa kanyang 3-point play, Cayaba. No basket, rebound by Ijan. Follow-up shot, 2 points. There's number 16, no good. Tamayo. Mai-stealan dito. And Cayaba fouled by number 3, Velasco. We have 1 minute and 55 seconds time remaining dito sa ating first quarter. 24-12 ang ating score. Cayaba to Palay, and there's Floralde. Offensive foul ang itatawag dito sa kupunan ng Santa Cruz na si number 11, Palma. Offensive foul. At papaltan siya dito. Ilalabas muna si Palma, papaltan dito ni Habakod. Trinidad dribbling the ball. Pass to Tamayo. Back to Trinidad. To Capistrano for 3. No good. Trinidad again. Capistrano ulit. Pull up for 2. Wala pa din. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. And there's Trinidad stepping on the line. Santa Cruz ball possession. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Bautista. Long pass to number 44, Floralde. Pull up for 3. No good. Rebound by Ijan. Floralde to Habacon. Basket count. And Habacon fouled by number 11, Cuevas. Nice pass by number 44, Floralde. Habacon para sa kanyang 3-point play. No good. Capistrano makakakuha ng bola. And there's Capistrano. Maiistilan. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. Moralde. Pass to Bautista for 2. Basket. 2 points by Bautista. Last 55 seconds. Tamayo. Still. And there's Capistrano for 2. Basket. Bautista again. May hawak ng bola. Pass to Floralde. To Habacon. And there's Habacon. No good. Habacon pa rin. For 2. Habacon. 2 points. Last 35 seconds. Capistrano may hawak ng bola. Still. By number 12. And here's number 12, Loyente. Fouled by number 6, Kapinpin. Santa Cruz ball possession. First free throw. No basket. Ijan to Pleyente. Still dito ni Trinidad. Trinidad layup. Blocked by number 30 Bautista. And there's Capistrano. Basket count. Fouled by number 12 Poliete. Capistrano para sa kanyang 3-point play. Basket. And we have 19 seconds left on our time remaining. Floralde. Long pass to Ijan. No good. Poliente makakakuha. Floralde. Out of bounds. Arreglado for the inbound. Pass to Kapinpin. Last 5 seconds. Capistrano full up for 3. No good. And we have 16-30 to our score in favor of Santa Cruz. And this is the end of our first quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet Daily. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
At welcome back dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Number 4, mai-stealan dito ni Gregorio. And there's Palay to Floralde. No basket. Still by Palay. Bautista, sasagad, wala pa din. And Arreglado fouled by number 28, Bandao. Floralde, easy 2 points. Palay, reverse, basket. Napakaganda ng reverse na yun. Masyadong malalim. And there's Arreglado. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Arreglado for the inbound. Pass to Capistrano. Maiipit. Still by Bautista. And there's Gregorio. Follow-up shot by Palay. Still again. Gregorio for 2. No good. Vecina may hawak ng bola. Vecina spin. Still by Gregorio. Basket. Arreglado. Masusundutan dito ni Gregorio. At mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng A Building Basketball at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Gusto nilang makuha, ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up mga moves na pang-hoops.
Arreglado for the inbound. Kapinpin, maaagaon dito ng bola ni Bandao. Palay for 2. No good. Bandao still the ball. Gregorio stepping on the line. Napakabigat ng press defense na itong mga Santa Cruz. Still. Pero number 4, Vecina. Fouled by number 30, Bautista. Cornista, fouled by number 1, Palay. Here's Vecina. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Cornista. To Kapinpin for 3. No basket. Floralde may hawak ng bola. And there's Floralde. To Gregorio. To Palay. To Bautista. To Bandao. 3-meter shot. Basket. Cornista. Dino-double team dito. Makukuha ni Floralde ang bola. Palay. To Floralde. Basket. Cornista dribbling the ball. Nagmamadali for 2. No good. Rebound by Arreglado. Ibibigay dito. Okay, number 8. No basket, but fouled by number 28, Bandao. Si Kapinpin pala yun, Kapinpin. Fouled by number 28, Bandao. 2 free throws. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, no good. Bautista ang makakasecure the rebound. There's Bautista, pass to Palay. Palay, layup, no good. Still by Palay, Bandao makakakuha. Bandao, no basket, but fouled by number 3, Velasco. First free throw by Bandao, basket. Second free throw, basket again, complete 2. Ang ating score, 41-18. Velasco pass to Kapinpin. Kapinpin for 2. Basket. Bautista to Delgado. Pass to Palay pero makakukuha dito ni Kayaba. Pull up for 3. No basket. Kayaba again. Pasa kay Delgado. Pass to Kayaba for 2. Basket. And there's Velasco. First free throw, basket. Penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Second free throw, basket again. Kayaba, wrong pass. Capistrano makakakuha ng bola. And there's Capistrano, layup. No good. Out of bounds. Siguenza for the inbound. Pass to Bautista. And there's Bautista. Layup, easy basket. Velasco maiistilan. Kayaba. To Delgado. Layup. Easy layup. 2 points by Delgado. There's Cornista dribbling the ball. Delgado to Bautista. Capistrano dribbling the ball. Atake. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Long pass to Delgado. To Palay for the AC basket. 52-21 ang ating score. Cornista. Pass to Capistrano. Pull up for 3. No good. Siguenza to Palay. And there's Palay to Delgado. No good. Velasco atake. Pero hindi. Ipapasa lang pala. Traveling violation by number 19, Tamayo. Cruz pull up for 3. No good. And there's Bautista. Napakalalim nun. Pero easy 2 points by Bautista. Cornista dribbling the ball. Still by Bautista. And there's Bautista again. Back-to-back points by number 30, Bautista. Velasco may hawak ng bola. No good. Long pass. Delgado ang tatanggap. Delgado for 2. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Evangelista for the inbound. Tamayo, fouled by number 14, Cruz. Tamayo, first free throw basket. Second free throw, basket again. Complete to by number 19, Tamayo. And there's Bautista. Pass to Delgado. Back to Bautista, pero masyadong malakas ang pasa, hindi makakukuha. Out of bounds, ball possession to A building. There's Trinidad. Mai-istilan dito. Si number 19, Tamayo. And si Guenza to Puliente. Easy 2 points. Trinidad again. Pass to Cornista. Cornista dribbling the ball. Pass to Capistrano. Capistrano fouled by number 44, Floralde. First free throw by Capistrano. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Rebound by Kapinpin. And fouled by number 9, Evangelista. First free throw by Kapinpin. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Pero makukuha dito ni Tamayo ang bola. Kapinpin to Capistrano. No good. Rebound by Cruz. to Poliente. And there's Evangelista, no good. Poliente for 2, basket. 2 points by Poliente. Ang ating score, 60-23 in favor of Santa Cruz. Trinidad dribbling the ball. To Tamayo. For 2, no good. Kapinpin, follow-up shot. Wala pa din. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Tamayo receive the ball. Tamayo, pass to Trinidad. There's Trinidad. To Cornista. Mabibitawan. Poliente. Long pass. Traveling violation by Poliente. There's Tamayo for the inbound. There's Kapinpin, full up for 3, no good. Evangelista secure the ball. Mai-steal dito ni Cornista kay Pluralde. And there's Tamayo, full up for 2, wala pa din. Capistrano ang magtutuloy, 2 points. By Capistrano. Poliente. Save the ball, mapupunta kay Cornista. To Tamayo, basket. 2 points by Tamayo. At papapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng Santa Cruz at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang.
And we are back to our ball game. Evangelista for the inbound. Pass to Pluralde. To Siguenza, may steal. Capistrano makakakuha ng bola. There's Trinidad to Capistrano for 2. No good. At blocking foul ang itatawag dito sa number 15. Si Siguenza. Santa Cruz. Evangelista secure the rebound. Pass to Pluralde. Pluralde to Cruz. No good. To Poliente. Basket. Easy 2 points by Poliente. Poliente, ma-steal ang pasa dito. Capistrano makakakuha. There's Capistrano, layup, no basket. And fouled by number 12, Poliente. First free throw by Capistrano, no basket. And here for the second free throw, Capistrano, basket. Palay, may dala ng bola. Palay, pass to Pluralde, pull up for 3, no good. Rebound by Evangelista for 2. Follow-up shot by Palay. 2 points. Ang ating score, 62-28. Kapinpin, matatawagan ng traveling violation. Palay ulit. Same ball. Evangelista. To Palay. Evangelista pull up for 3. No good. Rebound by Tamayo. And number 14 Cruz matatawagan dito ng foul. First free throw by Tamayo. Basket. Second free throw. Basket ulit. Complete 2. Last 49 seconds. Palay receive the ball. Siguenza for 2. No basket. But fouled by number 6, Kapinpin. 2 shots by number 15, Siguenza. First free throw by Siguenza, basket. Second free throw, no good. Ball possession to A building, basketball. Basketball. Kapinpin, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Capistrano. Matatapik ni Siguenza palabas. Capistrano. There's Kapinpin. Dribbling the ball, atake, pero block by number 15, Siguenza. Palay. Long pass to Floralde. For 2, basket. 65-30 ang ating score. And we have last 20 seconds dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Capistrano. Matatapikan. Evangelista makakakuha. Evangelista layup. No good. Follow-up shot by Palay. Basket. 2 points. Aquino. To Trinidad. To Tamayo. Pull up for 3. Oh, basket. And we have 30-67 in our score in favor of Santa Cruz. And this is the end of our second quarter of the game.